what do you mean by deadlock? Can you explain?
Deadlock happens in operating system when two or more processes need some resource to complete their execution. They are held by the other process.
Mutual exclusion. There should be a resource that can be held by one process at a time. One process is allocated to one resource.
No preemption. A process cannot be preempted from the process by force.
Circular wait. The process is waiting for the resources is held by the second process, which is waiting for the held by the third process, and so on. Process 1, resource 1, process 2, resource 2. Connected to the circular motion. It's called the circular motion.
Virtual memory management is a critical component of modern operating system and enables efficient use of physical memory by providing a efficient space for each process.
Virtual memory main process of supporting multi-programming in virtual memory. Virtual memory entirely does not allow in the memory of the visual memory program time.
Visual memory is a communication of physical RAM and hard drive to create a large memory space.
Virtual memory management of OS allow running program data large than
Hold and wait. The process can hold multiple resources and still request more resource other process which are holding them. Deadlock categorization. Deadlock occurs if any one of the following conditions: mutual execution, preemption, circular wait, hold and wait.